Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be taking a closer look at Amazonia Golden Latte powder with turmeric and Ayurvedic spices. Now, if you're not familiar with a golden latte or a turmeric spiced latte, it's very popular, very much on trend these days, and it's, you could say, the more robust brother to the very popular chai latte you might find in your favorite cafe. Now, the idea behind a golden latte usually is to feed your system with the scientifically proven benefits of turmeric. But in this case, what Amazonia have done, have created a blend containing not only turmeric but other various spices to create an Ayurvedic blend. So I'll be showing you how I make my turmeric latte using this very mix. The beauty of this mix and why I prefer working with Amazonia is everything, or almost every part of this product, has been certified organic. It contains various products that are all blended together in the Ayurvedic fashion in order to give you extreme nourishment and to have all the properties of each individual component available to your body. Now, just for a quick rundown, I'm sorry if you can hear Nimbus in the background, the cat is meowing. We have organic turmeric, we have cinnamon, we have clove, we have ginger, we have vanilla, natural vanilla flavoring, we also have Himalayan sea salt and organic black pepper. So various components that make up the golden latte. I'm going to show you how I make it using the Aerochino, so stay tuned. Just coconut golden latte using the, in this particular case, the Nespresso Aerochino 4 as my tool of choice. I know this is a bit of a hack. Some of you may be already familiar with this, but this is how I make a lot of my single serving warm drinks. Generations, thousands of years of wisdom before modern medicine, Ayurveda and various other practices were used in order to heal the body as a whole, and that's what Ayurveda does. Ayurveda looks at your body as a whole and then tries to feed it right spices and at the same time educate one on avoiding certain things, foods or items that we put into our body in order to create the best efficiency or to create the best environment for us to flourish. Just in case you're worrying if it's based around religion or faith or anything like that, it definitely isn't. It is just wisdom, which is becoming a bit more widespread. Hence, Amazonia, being an Australian organization, has taken an Ayurvedic approach. And I have to say, going to Australia, I was lucky enough to visit at a certain point in my life, and I've never been surrounded by more people who know more about Ayurveda than anyone that I've ever grown up with. So here I have the Nespresso Aerochino 4, I have some honey for sweetness, I have the golden latte powder, and I also have my coconut milk of choice. I prefer unsweetened. You can always go for whatever you like. I've measured out how much coconut milk I'm going to be using. The markings on this frother are really tricky to see on the inside, and you have to fill it to a certain point. So what I tend to do is measure it out in the glass or my cup, my vessel first, and then pour in the coconut milk. Put a nice heaped teaspoon in. I will add a little bit more because basically finished my own serving, finished my own tub nearly, as you can see, or nearly all gone. I have this probably on a daily basis. You get approximately 20 servings, 5 grams each, out of one of these tubs. And if you were going to go to the shops or go to a cafe or whatever and pick up one of these, you're going to pay a lot more than approximately £1 or £2 a serving, depending on how much you have per serving. Very simple. It's in there. The temperature of the milk was cold right out of the fridge. Pop on the lid, And I like to go for option number 2, which is heat and whisk. And off it goes. So I don't know if the guys at Nespresso actually encourage this or not, but I believe it's a great method, and well, not only a great method to make delicious drinks like this, but it's a great way of getting more use out of your Aeroccino. And I do enjoy a turmeric latte, especially during the winter. I have it approximately every day, bar probably one. I probably give myself a break on a Sunday, and then I continue from a Monday to a Saturday. And that's just the way I like to do it, because when you do study Ayurveda, you'll understand that the body has certain states, and then you can very easily take it over a certain state, which then has a detrimental effect on the way you feel. And that can happen even when you're trying to put good stuff in your body. So too much of a good thing is a very true saying. Now you can see that the Aeroccino is heating up the coconut milk. It's giving it a good old whisk. Done. It wasn't very long. It was, I think that was maybe like 2 minutes. But here we go. Let's just pop this off. Pop. There is the luscious liquid. And now let's just pour it in. So that was a very quick method on how to use your Aeroccino, Nespresso Aeroccino, or any other milk frother. Please make sure it's one that's built well, and not some cheapo one. You will regret it if you buy a cheapo one. Get a bit more use out of your Aeroccino and enjoy a mind-feeding, body-nourishing golden latte this winter by Amazonia. I encourage you to check it out. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have tried this, if you are curious about Ayurveda and you've got a question, just pop it below. Let's have a conversation. Don't forget, thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Golden Latte Powder by Amazonia can be found at Muazo. I'll leave links below. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you again. Bye bye.